So what are cold sores? Cold sores basically are the herpes virus that is latent in your system that gets brought out by certain stresses. Okay, certain stresses can be whether it's the sun that's bringing it about, whether it's biting your lip, or having something acidic, or something spicy, or just simply psychological stresses. Let's say you're preoccupied with something at work, or you haven't been getting enough sleep, and your body's resistance is lowered. It could be physical stress. It can be, let's say there was a death in the family, God forbid, or there's someone's health that you're worried about, or anything that goes on that really affects you emotionally. That can bring about these lesions. And when they're brought about, the best thing you could possibly do is to catch it early. So you have the first onset of these sores. You're going to feel a little tingling, itchy sensation. You give us a call, you come in, we have a laser that works really, really well. And what that does is that through biostimulation, helps promote healing. So we wave the laser light over the area for a few different rounds. And then through biostimulation, it targets the virus and helps promote healing. And what that does is it helps to hopefully prevent this from growing into a full blown out sore ulcer. And even if it does, even if you catch it a little bit too late, it will still help the healing go a bit faster. Other things you could do besides using the laser treatment, which is great. What's interesting to do also is that if you use the laser in the same spot a few times, it may never even appear in that same spot again, which is kind of nice. Because if you have that one area where it's just always that one spot, eventually it may not be. You can also take some natural supplements such as vitamin C and bioflavonoids. Now, vitamin C, I would take 1,000 milligrams in the morning, 1,000 milligrams in the evening, coupled with bioflavonoids. Bioflavonoids, just so you know, are, let's say when you're having an orange, the white rind inside the orange that usually people just don't want to deal with, that houses bioflavonoids naturally in nature. It's synergistic with the vitamin C and just enhances the action of the vitamin C. So that's a great adjunct. I would do that every single day for that week that you're feeling under the weather and knocked out. You can also take, of course, there are medications to treat it. There are various creams and ointments and pills you could take, which are great adjuncts too. But the laser is one of the things that will help initially get rid of the itchiness and tingling sensations and promote the healing faster.